5 of the most dangerous and most feared fluffy creatures in the world. And honestly, you should probably just give them to me. First, the Scottish Fold. Their ears fold forward, they have round little faces, and the most innocent expression ever. Second, the Munchkin. They have super short legs, their walk is ridiculously cute, and they're extremely playful. Third, the Persian. Long, thick fur, and a personality that's usually calm and super affectionate. Fourth, the British Shorthair. Their body is somehow as round as their head. This one is seriously adorable. They always look slightly annoyed, but somehow still unbelievably cute. And finally, the Ragdoll. This one has the fluffiest fur of them all, and honestly looks more elegant than cute compared to the others.